Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll tell you top 5 master's degrees which you can go for if you want to advance in your business career. So let's get straight into the video. The very first master's degree is a master's degree in business analytics. So why business analytics? Is because nowadays data is becoming the next oil. So the people or the companies which have data are the companies which can dominate, and they need someone to be able to regulate this data. Someone who is into business analytics or data science is someone who can do the work. So if you get into the field of data science, you get to work with computers, you get to work with systems, statistics and analytics. So once you have mastered these skill sets, you can get very high salaries and you can get into different kind of roles. So even in data analytics, there are different project management roles, there are portfolio management roles, there are different kinds of computer related roles as well. So you can explore whichever role suits you the best. The next one is the evergreen masters in accounting. So accounting is needed in every company. Even if there may be hundreds of different softwares or bots to do the accounting, we always need real people to actually regulate the work, and accounting will never go off the charts. So if you are someone who is interested into finance, into accounting especially, please do consider this role, because you can have multiple job roles like financial accountant, legal accountant and different kinds of many accounting roles which you can easily go for. So the next degree is masters in finance. So if you are someone who is a finance fanatic, who is interested to be around numbers, to do the calculations, to be able to deal with all of these pluses and minuses, you can certainly consider to be a financial advisor or probably a financial analyst, whichever role suits you the best. Finance salaries are growing exponentially, and if you are in the top companies, you can expect very high salaries, which will be very good for your career ahead. The next one is masters in business economics. So not just business economics. If you get yourself into economics of any field, it can be microeconomics, macroeconomics, econometrics or even APFM. You can choose to have a great career ahead, because these options are very diverse. Economics is applied in every stage of business, may it be marketing, may it be finance, may it be HR, or may it be absolutely anything like operations as well. If you are someone who is interested in economics, you can literally find a job absolutely in any company at any position. The next degree is a master's in project management. So this degree is actually the king of all degrees. If you choose to be a project manager, not only will you have great salary, but you as a direct person wouldn't have to do actual manual labor. You will be the one who will be handling the project, you will be handling a team. All you need to have is great people skills, great communication, a good personality and someone who can actually handle stress and challenges. If you see yourself fit in this role, this might be the most rewarding, most perfect degree for you if you actually fit into the job role. But if not, this can be absolutely disastrous. So guys, this was it for the video. If you have any other doubts, you can let us know in the comment section given below. If you want to have a one-on-one discussion with any of our advisors here at Grad Dreams, you can feel free to contact us with the help of the description box. Again guys, if you like the video, make sure to give us a thumbs up, share this video with someone you think might find it helpful, and also do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you like the content and don't want to miss out on it. Thank you so much for watching the video guys. We'll see you in the next one.